Hello friends, welcome in the 30-second sketcher tutorial of my channel. The subject of the 30-second tutorial is how to create a shortcut chess app in Sketchware, chess game app. So at first I'm creating a new app, chess. Now at the first I'm setting a web viewer, setting a text view here. Sorry, I have to set a linear edge here. So I'm setting a text viewer and setting a button here. Now on the text view I am writing chess, and on the button I am writing play. I'm setting the text sizes 18 sp. Okay, I am setting the colors. I should set the background color to black and the text color to white. Here the background color may be indigo and the text color may be white. Here you go. Here is the everything. I must set the translation X 50 here. It must not be 50, but 25 may be alright. Okay, it will be okay. Now what we have to do is to go to event and view and tap on the button on one click. Button on one click. We have to set a web viewer, load URL. We have to set the URL. This you can get this URL from the description. Now I'm running the app. I'm installing the app. Now I'm opening the app. Now if I tap on this button, see what happens. Here you see, here is a chess. If I click on this, here I can play the chess game well. So thank you for watching this video. This was a shortcut tutorial. So please, you can go to the playlist of my channel to get all the Sketchware tutorials at once. So thank you for watching this video.